As mentioned in the last movie, there's a little bit of an issue when dealing with expressions sometimes an element, and if you don't know how to overcome it, it could really throw you for a loop. So what I want to do here is just explain the project so you know what we're trying to do. I have here one layer of element that's controlling all of the blocks, which are on one group. That's actually group 2, all those little blocks, the cubes. And then I have group 1, which are the spheres here. And then I have a separate shape layer with my text on it. So what I want to be able to do is control my text with my cubes, the ones on group 2. So if I right-click in group 2 and right-click on position XY and choose reveal in timeline, I will see this property. And then what I need to do is reveal the position property of the outlines here, the outlines layer. That's layer number 7. And what I'm going to do is option click on the Mac or alt click the PC, the stopwatch for the position property on the outlines on the text layer. Then I want to drag the pick whip to position XY on group 2. And then click anywhere in a blank area to accept that. So it seems like everything worked out great. I'll go ahead and select element. I'll resize this so we can see everything here. When I move position XY, the cubes move, but nothing else does. So that obviously didn't work. To add to our frustration, when we open up group 1, the particle replicator, and I want to move my spheres, the text comes along for the ride. So they're connected. Even though we linked up group 2's position, it used group 1. The reason why is that there are 5 groups here in Element, and the naming conventions are all the same for all of them. So what we need to do in order to connect things up correctly in Element is to hold the Option key on the Mac or the Alt key on the PC. Now I'm going to go and undo that again to get rid of the expression that we created. Actually, I need to do Command Z, there we go. That'd be Control Z on the PC to undo that. And what I want to do instead is I want to Option or Alt click position again. And this time when I drag the pick whip, I'm going to hold the Option key on the Mac or the Alt key on the PC. So I know we've already clicked that once. We've already Option or Alt clicked the stopwatch. But we need to hold that Alt or Option key one more time while we drag the pick whip to the position XY of group 2. And then it uses the number of the parameter in the expression. And that allows us to adjust position XY. And now our text layer is linked to the group 2 position XY, just like we wanted. So just a little trick when dealing with expressions in Element. Again, when you're connecting outside layers or anything else to properties in Element, hold down the Option or Alt key so that you use the number of the parameter and not its name.